Dear children, let me begin by saying, I believe in the power of education. I believe in learning and challenges. I believe in educators and I believe in students. If there is only one thing that will always make you smile throughout your life, that would be your childhood memories. It is for you to know and fully understand how important your life is. You matter. Your thoughts matter. Your ideas matter. Your dreams matter. And your vision matters. The way that you perceive the world and the place that you hope it becomes one day matters. You have the potential for greatness. You have the ability inside of you to rise above any obstacle and challenges placed before you. You have the power, you have the strength to be victorious in any situation. You are intelligent, you are brave, you are courageous. The way you see the things is important. Every single one of you has a gift and you are going to use it in really big way. I am so proud of each and every one of you. I get the absolute privilege of watching as you grow, as you take challenges and overcome them, as you push yourself and achieve the goals set before you. I want you to walk away from your childhood knowing that you are a warrior, that you are a fighter, that you will never give up, constantly fighting for the good in the world. Be the best possible version of yourself. Never stop working until you reach your goals. If you fail, try again. If you feel defeated, just look at yourself in the mirror and fully take in the person that you are. The life is a great one. It can be tough and challenging at times. It will make you sweat. It will definitely make you cry. But what is so neat is that even through the rock, there is always a good ahead. And it is that good that makes everything worthwhile. If I could ask one thing of you, it is never to stop believing in yourself, to never stop seeing the good in the world, to never stop going out of your way to help others. Above all, be humble, be a good human being, be well educated. Humility has to do with viewing yourself in the proper manner regarding your gifts, abilities, purpose, weakness and limitations. Your degree of humility is based upon how you respond to failure, power and obedience to God. Become powerful but stay humble. Always remember, being humble is not a weakness. Being humble is an act. Not every person who has a power can be humble. It needs courage. It needs constant effort. It needs willingness. Abraham Lincoln said, nearly all men can handle adversity. But if you really want to test a man's character, give him the power. True humility comes out of a healthy, God-centeredness from within the heart of a person that breeds self-dignity, self-respect, and assurance of your place as a child of Almighty. It is the result of your responding to God and the realities of life, with the wisdom from the experiences of life. Humility is the key. Humility lifts you up. It takes a loyal and genuine soul to be humble. If someone humbles you, you can take silently it as a boon. Because being humble means being qualified for greater things. If you are humble, then purity sets in. It takes a soul to be humble. Humility will never let you down, no matter what. Being humble means you can achieve greater heights in itself by not having the pride to be humble for achieving. Achievement comes by hard work, not by pride. It is evidence that cultivating this quality is not for the faint-hearted, nor does it appear overnight. Yet it would seem that one of the greatest rewards of humility is an inner freedom from having to protect those parts that we are trying to hide from ourselves and others. Dear students, remember, with great power comes the greater responsibilities. With power comes the ability to choose, and no matter whatever the situation may be, you can always choose to do what is right. You can always choose to be humble. Whoever you are watching this video, I hope it leaves you with this: you matter. Your voice matters. You have a purpose and it is immensely good. So have passion and interest and stay immensely interested in the things that makes your heart beat faster. Encourage others as much as you can. Speak up. Your voice matters and care for others. Live intentionally. Live with the purpose and believe in the impact that you are worthy of creating.